You know that with Google Studio, with Gemini AI, you can learn any software. Today we will see a demonstration. So let's first go to aistudio.google.com. So once you reach here, what you're going to do is that click on this stream real time. Once you do that, click on select video source, click on screen, and you see you get various options. Click this entire screen and click here and click share.
Okay, so you're explaining how to share a screen. It sounds like you clicked the
Okay,
entire screen
okay,
and then
forget
the
it.
share button. Okay, I see that you're now showing a screen with a red box around the share button.
Okay, right.
You are
Can you
using Google AI
can
Studio.
you see my entire screen now?
Yes, I can see your entire screen now.
So now I won't be talking to you people anymore. So I will be directly interacting with this Google AI. So let's start. Hello.
Okay, so you will be interacting with
Hello.
Google AI directly. Let's start.
Can you see that I'm opening Affinity Photo?
Yes, I see that you're opening Affinity Photo 2.
Right.
Okay, I can see that Affinity Photo 2 is now open. It currently has a dark gray canvas.
Now I have opened an image on Affinity Photo. Can you see that?
Yes, I see the image you've opened in Affinity Photo.
Now could
It's
you
a
please
portrait of a
help me?
man.
So could you please help me removing the background
Sure, I
from
can
this
help you.
photo?
Okay, you want help removing the background from the photo of the man. I can't do that myself, but I can guide you through how to do it using Affinity Photo if you'd like.
Yes, kindly show me how to do it.
Okay, to remove the background in Affinity Photo, you can start by selecting the Selection Brush tool on the left toolbar.
Okay.
Then,
Okay,
carefully
where to find the selection brush tool?
The Selection Brush tool is located on the left side of the screen in the toolbar. It's the icon that looks like a paintbrush with a selection area.
I'm not able to find it.
Okay, I can understand that. It is the fourth icon from the top in the toolbar on the left-hand side. It looks like a paintbrush with a dotted circle. Can you see it now?
Yes. What to do after this?
Okay, now with the Selection Brush tool selected, you'll want to click and drag it over the background that you want to remove. Try to select the background area as accurately as possible.
Okay.
Now you should see a dotted line around the area that you have selected. Is that correct?
Yes. I'm selecting the background.
All right. Okay, it looks like you're selecting the background using the Selection Brush tool. Once the background is fully selected, you can remove it. Do you want me to tell you how to do that?
Yes, please.
Okay, now that the background is selected, press the Delete key on your keyboard. This will remove the selected background.
Yes, I did that. Thank you.
Great, it looks like the background has been removed successfully. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, it's all right. Thanks.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
So this is how you can, you can learn any software. So this is just short demonstration by which you can use a new software and learn how to do the basic things or even advanced things. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. So if you like such kind of tutorials or videos of related to such AI and related items, then please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.